If you've ever found yourself on the floor and not knowing how to get up after a fall, I invite you to watch this video. I'm going to show you step by step how to get up safely from the floor. So let's pretend you fell on the floor and you're unable to get up. What's the first thing you need to do? Well, we want to find something to help us get up. I'm going to choose this couch. So I'm going to crawl over, simulating that I'm weak, I'm in some discomfort, and I need to get over somewhere to help me stand. What I need to do is get onto my knees in order to then get onto my feet. So let me turn so you can see a little better. I'm on my side. I want to roll onto my knees like this. If I'm unable to do so, use the couch for assistance. So come a little closer. Kind of prop yourself on the couch and roll onto your knees. Once you're on your knees, you want to then prop yourself up. And again, if you can't do this, grab the couch for assistance. You want to bring your stronger leg up. And now you're going to push with your stronger leg and your arm to push yourself up, stand, and pivot over. If that's still too difficult, get yourself closer. Get onto your strong leg, push up, use assistance from the couch, and just bring yourself up there. It can be messy, it's okay. You just want to get yourself on the couch. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please comment below and let me know.